Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia Cerato Forte K3 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the box. And this is head unit special for Kia Cerato, Kia Forte. Okay, let me introduce harness and parts. Okay, you can check this special harness and compass box. This special compass box. And this connect to back of head unit. Okay, you can check this K1 and K2 is for steering wheel controls, and this camera input, this AUX input left and right. Okay, this special harness and compass box, and this also for Kia Forte different pin. Okay, it have no compass. It's AUX left and right input. It's microphone. It's USB, and this K1, this K2 for steering wheel controls. This brake in do not need to connect. This AMP 12 voltage. This reserve input for backup camera. Okay. This is the part and screws. This left and right. This left and right. Okay. This screws. Okay. It will come with remote controller. This remote controller and radio antenna. This original radio antenna. Okay. And external microphone is original USB. Original USB, and this camera input, reserve camera, is connect to back of head unit, and this AUX input, this connect back of head unit. This AUX left and AUX right is video input. Okay. This audio combo connect back of head unit, and this subwoofer, this video out 1 and video out 2, and this video out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show head unit. you can check the side. Okay, let me show back. You can check this GPS antenna and this long USB cable to USB cable and the external microphone. You can check this USB connection, this GPS, this radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna, this power, this fuse. Okay. Let me show head unit. Okay, let me connect power 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start, and please take out this screw protector before using. Okay. Okay, this front panel, this built-in microphone, this IR. You can adjust brightness. Lamp press, you can change the wallpaper. It supports live paper and wallpaper image. Okay, it's very fast response, and this is power and volume control. Okay, this knob, you can click search button, this radio station, search the radio stations. This knob you can check. You can check it changes the radio stations. Okay, this is the SD card slot. This home button. Okay. This data and time, you can change data and time by GPS and Wi-Fi network. It built-in DSP amplifier and easy connection for Mirrorlink. And built-in Google Maps is built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Now back to home. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check the MCU volume, CPU optical memory size 4 GB, model PX5 optical Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.